I got my eye on Hertz, guys. Let's see if we can get a pullback here. Now it's finally starting to get into some kind of a direction here. Tons of volume. Missed the pullback on HTC at 28. That would have been a good entry, but again, price action is pretty all over the place. Let's see if it gives us another opportunity to go short here. I'm going short, guys, on missed it. My montage was locked. Are you kidding me? Oh, wow.
What were you gonna do?
I was gonna go short Hertz, but my montage was locked. It didn't send the order.
Oh.
I forgot to unlock it.
Ooh. Ooh.
That would have been a 2060 entry. I don't want to chase it now, though.
Not good.
ATC. Oh my god, yeah, it's going. There it goes. It's going.
Hurts.
Yep.
Losing it. Ooh, yeah. Wow.
Hey guys, Carlos here with Bearable Traders, and here's my recap for today. As you heard in that intro, I had a good opportunity here on Hertz. Unfortunately, my montage was locked, and I missed this great entry here for a beautiful short, as you can see on the 5-minute and the 1-minute chart. So after missing that opportunity, I went over to Macy's. Macy's put in a nice squeeze here above VWAP. I missed a good entry also here. Again, I was a bit out of the game on that last trade on HTZ. But even as it made newer highs here, it looked like the price action was going to crack above the highs and push over to this level I had up here, 25.68. So I got in short, stop loss below the candle that I was just in. So anything below here, I would have stopped out. The price action was looking great, squeezed up higher here, and it just couldn't go any higher than this at this point. So I just took everything out. I got a little impatient. I was waiting for it to crack and keep this momentum going. And here it looked like it was gonna start heading back down. I should have really waited for this moving average or at least break even. But again, I wasn't patient. It could be because of the last trade I had. I was just not in my game. Definitely messed with my psychology there. I definitely had the fear of missing out on missing such a great trade. We got all the signals for a great short on HTZ, and I know some members did take that trade. So congrats on getting into a beautiful trade there. Right when I get out, it does start pushing a little lower here, and then it just really takes off. This is the move I was looking for. Goes all the way up to almost 25.68, not quite 25.60. So it was a beautiful move, and then you had this huge drop here, though. This was very unexpected. A lot of guys took this trade. They held through this consolidation here, and then it had this big drop here. Didn't expect this all the way down to previous day close. So huge drop there on Macy's, but overall it did the move that we were looking for to get close to that 25.68. So that's my recap for today, guys. Again, a small day, took only 200 shares on this trade. I knew that my psychology was out of it. I felt the fear of missing out on that other trade I had first, and then also here I knew I was chasing it a bit. So again, just was not in the right state of mind. So I'm calling it a day early. We had a lot of great opportunities today, and the one I picked turned out to be great. Just couldn't get into that trade. So hope you guys did a lot better than me today. Hope you guys took advantage of all of these great trades we had. HTC, HD had a good short here as well, a little bit choppy. Macy's had a good VWAP here move. Roku has been just incredible. Again, pretty choppy in this area, but look at Roku now, up to 66, hitting that 67. And Etsy was amazing at the open as well. A beautiful open range breakup here, does a pullback. Maybe you don't want to get in here because, again, you don't know if this drop is going to continue. But the minute it starts going above and beyond the VWAP here, a great entry at 65, and then it just takes off all the way to 68.50. So an amazing trade there. Let me know in the comments what you traded, if you had any issues today on your hotkeys or how you did. I would love to hear what stock you traded today and what you did well and what you can improve on the next session for trading. Take care, guys.